Welcome to this video. In this video, you study about the Novengel reaction. This reaction it is also known as the Novengel condensation. Let us see the statement of this reaction. Condensation of an aldehyde or ketone with active methylene compound in the presence of base to form alpha beta unsaturated compound is called as the Novengel reaction. In this reaction, the substrate is the aldehydes or ketone, and another reactant is the active methylene compound. As we know, active methylene compound it containing the active methylene group in which the CH2, that is the methylene group, is attached to the both side by electron withdrawing group. This reaction it is carried out in the basic medium, or it is catalyzed by the base. The product of this reaction is the alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, let us review the statement once again. Aldehydes or ketone condensation with active methylene compound in the presence of base to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. This reaction is called as the Novengel reaction. In this reaction, we use the base. The base catalyst may be the ammonia or its derivatives. Thus, we can use primary, secondary, or tertiary amines. Examples are aniline, di or trialkyl amines. We may use the pyridine or piperidine, etc. as a catalyst. Let us see the general reaction. When benzaldehyde is condensed with the diethyl malonate in the presence of the pyridine, there is the formation of this adduct. This adduct, which on hydrolysis and decarboxylation gives the cinnamic acid. Okay, this is the general reaction. Benzaldehyde, that is the C6H5 attached to the C double bond OH. It is the aromatic aldehyde. At-on treatment with the diethyl malonate, it is the active methylene compound. The CH2 group, methylene group, is attached to both sides by the ester linkage, that is the C double bond O OCS3. This side C double bond O OCS3. Name of this active methylene compound is the diethyl malonate. In the presence of the pyridine, in benzene, there is the dehydration occurs. There is the loss of the water molecule. Okay. Oxygen from the carbonyl group and two hydrogen from the active methylene group undergo eliminated, and there is the formation of the double bond between the carbonyl carbon and active methylene group carbon. This product, it on hydrolysis, it leads to the formation of this dicarboxylic acid. Hydrolysis takes place between carbonyl carbon and oxygen. In hydrolysis, this bond undergoes breaking and hydroxy groups added towards the carbonyl group, hydrogen added towards the oxygen. There is the loss of the methanol. Again, this bond undergo hydrolyze. Hydroxy groups added towards this carbonyl. There is the formation of the COOH and there is the loss of the methanol. This dicarboxylic acid, which on simply heating, there is the decarboxylation take place. There is the loss of the carbon dioxide and there is the formation of the cinnamic acid. This is the general reaction of Novengel condensation. Let us see the mechanism. This Novengel condensation, the initial step of reaction, it is same as to the aldol condensation. On aldol condensation, there is the loss of the water molecule followed by hydrolysis and decarboxylation, we get the final product. This Novengel condensation, it is take place in the three step. In step 1, the base removes a proton from active methylene group to generate a carbanion. This carbanion, it is stabilized by the resonance. Okay, in the first step, the base, it removes the proton from the active methylene compound. There is the loss of the BH, and there is the formation of negative charge on this carbon. That is there is the formation of the carbanion. This carbanion, it is stabilized by the resonance. This electron forms the double bond between these two carbon. Double bond between carbon and oxygen break, and there is the negative charge on the oxygen. This carbanion is stabilized by the resonance. In the second step, there is the nucleophilic attack of the carbanion on the carbonyl carbon of aldehyde or ketone to form alkoxide ion. This carbanion, it is formed in the first step. This carbanion undergoes nucleophilic addition to the carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde. There is the formation of new bond between this carbonyl carbon and this carbon. This new bond is formed. There is the breaking of this double bond, and both electron goes towards the oxygen. In this case, the oxygen acquires the negative charge. This species is called as the alkoxide ion. In the third step, firstly, there is the protonation of the alkoxide ion. It gives the hydroxy compound. This O minus abstract the proton, and there is the formation of this hydroxy compound. This hydroxy compound, which on dehydration, there is the loss of the water molecule, hydrogen from this carbon, OH group from this carbon undergo eliminated. There is the formation of this new carbon-carbon double bond. On further, there is the hydrolysis take place. This product which on hydrolysis, there is the formation of this dicarboxylic acid followed by loss of the carbon dioxide. There is the formation of the cinnamic acid. This is the last step. Okay, let us see the synthetic applications of Novengel reaction. By using Novengel reaction, we can synthesize various alpha-beta unsaturated acid such as crotonic acid, cinnamic acid, fumaric acid, or and beta piprenyl acrylic acid. It can be prepared by using the Novengel reaction. Acetaldehyde, add-on treatment with the diethyl malonate in the presence of the pyridine. There is the formation of this alpha beta unsaturated compound which on hydrolysis and decarboxylation, there is the formation of this alpha beta unsaturated acid. Name of this compound is the crotonic acid. Thank you.